Overnight, millions of Americans suddenly can't afford to keep their cars. Soaring auto insurance rates in the U.S., a new burden on the shoulders of everyday people. In recent years, residents across many U.S. states have been facing an increasingly difficult reality. Auto insurance premiums are skyrocketing at an alarming rate. More than just hitting consumers' wallets, this trend reflects deeper instabilities within the nation's financial and insurance systems. The reason behind the surge in insurance costs isn't solely due to more traffic accidents or reckless driving. A complex mix of economic and social factors is simultaneously putting intense pressure on the auto insurance industry. Vehicle repair costs have soared, largely because replacement parts are more expensive, and modern cars are now equipped with high-tech features like sensors, cameras, and radar as standard. Meanwhile, inflation remains elevated, driving up the cost of claims and risk management for insurance companies. Climate change is also playing a growing role by increasing the frequency and severity of natural disasters, such as hurricanes, floods, and wildfires, particularly in states like Florida, California, and Texas. These events force insurers to pay out billions of dollars annually, and much of that cost is ultimately passed on to consumers in the form of higher premiums. Many Americans feel powerless as their insurance rates rise dramatically, regardless of their clean driving records. In some states, the average annual premium has now surpassed $3,000, a staggering figure for middle and low-income households. This raises a troubling question. How can people be expected to comply with mandatory auto insurance laws when affording a policy becomes nearly impossible? Some experts are calling for stronger intervention from both federal and state governments to regulate pricing and enforce greater transparency in how premiums are calculated. At the same time, there's a growing need for targeted financial assistance programs for lower-income drivers and for more flexible insurance options tailored to different income groups. The rising cost of auto insurance is more than just a numbers issue. It's a warning sign of a system under strain. If left unaddressed, this crisis could further deepen the economic divide and push millions of Americans into financial hardship in their daily lives. What can everyday Americans do amid soaring auto insurance rates? As insurance premiums continue to rise, Americans can't afford to just wait for government or industry reforms. There are practical, immediate steps that individuals can take to reduce the financial burden. 1. Shop around and compare. Loyalty to one insurance company can cost you. Use comparison websites like the Zebra, Policy Genius, or Insurify to find the most competitive rates. Differences between companies can be hundreds of dollars per year. 2. Keep a clean driving record. Safe drivers usually get the lowest rates. Avoid speeding tickets, accidents, or any violations, as even minor infractions can lead to higher premiums. 3. Adjust your deductible. Raising your deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in, can significantly lower your monthly premiums. Just make sure you can afford the higher out-of-pocket costs in case of an accident. 4. Ask about discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for bundling auto and home insurance for good students, senior drivers, or those who drive fewer miles. Don't hesitate to ask about what savings you might qualify for. 5. Consider usage-based insurance, UBI. Companies like Progressive and Allstate offer programs that track your driving habits through an app or device. If you drive safely and infrequently, you could earn major discounts. 6. Rethink your vehicle choice. High-end, sporty, or high-theft risk vehicles often come with higher insurance costs. When buying a new car, consider insurance affordability as part of your decision-making process. 7. Explore state or federal assistance programs. Some states offer special insurance programs for low-income drivers. For instance, California's CLCA, California Low-Cost Auto Insurance, program provides affordable coverage for qualifying residents. In a time when costs are rising across the board and insurance premiums feel like a growing weight, being informed and proactive is your best defense. Don't let auto insurance control your finances. Take control of it. Auto insurance is getting out of control, but you don't have to face it alone. Subscribe now for more tips that actually save you money.